Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at the Independence Square of Ghana, and there is a renovation exercise going on here that has caught my attention. The places being renovated includes the Blaster Square, the Independence Arc, Asumdue Park, as well as the Nationalism Park. These parks and monuments serve as a tourist attraction, a representation of our freedom and independence as a country, our heritage, and also as a remembrance of those who laid down their lives in the fight for independence, especially the three noble victims at the 1948 Christianburg Crossroad shooting, namely Sergeant Ajite, Corporal Atipo, and Private Odate Lamte, who were killed during a peaceful protest back in 1948. Sadly, despite this area's importance in Ghana's history, for so many years it was not accorded that high regard, probably due to the Independence Day celebration being moved across different parts of the country for the past few years. But today, there is a renovation exercise which is going to breathe life back into this area.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you and I'm
As you can see, the old wall has been excavated and concrete has been casted to make room for the new wall that is yet to be built. And this is the Blaster Square. This is where the Independence Day parade is held. And as you can see, renovation is going on here as well. And these seats in the colors of the Ghana national flag, the red, gold and green and the black star, were all broken, but as you can see, they've all been replaced with new ones, which gives me an impression that next year's Independence Day celebration may be hosted here.
to rise. Here we go. You can take me there.
Now let's head to the Nationalism Park to see what is going on in there.
This life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want.
At the Nationalism Park, I was greeted by busy steel benders and masons who were working tirelessly to renovate the place, and also I talked to some of them about how the park used to be before the renovation began. So I asked them whether the place is going to be fenced and gated, because previously you could see mentally challenged people lying all over the place and one couldn't even find a comfortable spot to sit. So I hope that when this renovation is completed, it will be fenced and gated so that everybody can go there to have a good time. So they told me that the place is going to be fenced and gated, and entry will come at a fee, just like the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Now let's head to the Asumdue Park, which is the park dedicated to the late John Evans Atta Mills. At the Asumdue Park, I noticed that work is also ongoing here, but I wasn't allowed inside to film, which is okay. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for staying with me. Kindly do well to like, comment and subscribe. Till I see you again, stay safe.